So I only posted a single video in all of 2024, yet if you compare my numbers from the year prior, I actually increased my subscribers by 49% more, and I increased my overall viewership by 43% more. So what exactly did I do different, and how did I accomplish those numbers without posting anything? Well, I'll tell you, it's not some special hashtag or trick or thumbnail that I put out there that was just the best. It was a lot simpler than that, and kind of boring if I'm gonna be honest. I really just focused on making videos in the past years that survive long. And what I mean by that is they don't go away. They're not trendy. They don't really have anything to do with the news cycle. They're videos that people that are into tech end up asking themselves at some point while they're learning tech. So this can be anything from how something works in a computer to maybe an issue you're having and what the solution is, or just how technology works with other technology. And if I'm honest, that's kind of how this whole entire channel started. I was younger and I was looking up new videos on how to do something with a computer, and I would get so frustrated when I found that there was no good, simple video about it. I would end up going on forums and reading into all these comments and then finally finding the answer that I was looking for and just wondering, why was this video never made? And so I just started making videos.
Much later.
And here we are today. I make various videos, but they all pretty much do the same thing. They answer questions, and questions people specifically have that they search out on the internet. And I do my best job to do it in the simplest way that I can think of, easy to understand, and hopefully a little entertaining for you all. And that's my secret. I just make content that doesn't go away. It is always relevant. I have videos that I've posted multiple years ago that will be in my top performers this month. The top one here, March 2021. This one is 4 years old. Second one we have in April 23, that's a year and a half. February of 22 for the third one, that's 2 years old. July of 2018 is my fourth best viewed video this month in 2024/2025 because we're kind of in the middle of January here. But that is a over 6-year-old video that is still in my top 5 videos of the month. For everyone that follows me along and actually subscribes and watches multiple of my videos, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'll keep making them. Plan on making a lot more this year than last year. I think that's a pretty easy number to beat since we've already tied it with this one. So to many more, I'll see you guys for the rest of the year.